elephant in the means
Yes,
X-ray.
he drew one more picture. He drew one picture in which he could find what an boa constrictor that has already swallowed an elephant, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? And in
Yes,
that
ma'am.
picture, the elephant was clearly visible. As I told you yesterday, that elephant was like what? This picture was like an X-ray in which you could see that what was there inside the boa constrictor. And then what happened? He showed that picture to the adults. Then adults discouraged him, disheartened him not to draw such kind of pictures. Rather, what to do? Rather, focus his attention on his studies. He should study subjects like geography, history, arithmetic, and grammar. This is what he told, right?
Yes.
Then at the age of 6, he gave up this interest of making drawings, painting, and he focused on his studies. And what happened as he grew up, after growing up, what happened? He became a pilot. He joined military and became a pilot. He started flying pilot. So yesterday we studied till if one gets lost means this knowledge of geography is very important if one gets lost in the forest, right? This is what we studied till here. We studied now in the course of life. I have sorry, so then I choose another profession and learn to pilot aeroplanes. I have flown a little over all parts of the world, and it is true that geography has been very useful to me. At a glance I can distinguish China from Arizona. If one gets lost in the night, such knowledge is valuable. This is what we studied yesterday, right? Till here we studied yesterday. Now let's move further. Means he said that when he became a pilot, the knowledge that he gained after studying geography, this knowledge was very helpful for him to uh, differentiate different places, okay, without even in the dark of night. In the course of life, now see the next lines. In the course of this life, I have had many encounters with a great many people who have been concerned with matters of consequence. In the course of this life means whatever life he has passed till now, whatever years he has lived of his life, what happened? He had a great many encounters with a great many people. He had different kinds of experiences with different kinds of people who have been concerned with many matters, with matters of consequence, who had been concerned with matters of consequence. Consequence means result. Who had been concerned, who were concerned with the matters of consequence. I have lived a great deal among grown-ups. He's saying that he had lived a great deal among grown-ups. Means he's saying that he had been always surrounded by the grown-ups. I have seen them intimately close at hand. He's saying that he has seen them intimately close. Intimately means very close. At and means so close that at the distance of a hand. Means at home also he had been surrounded by adults. His parents were adults. Maybe he lived with his grandparents also. As soon as he used to go out, he used to have his aunt, uncle. Means everywhere he was surrounded by adults. What
Ma'am,
whenever
what is
I met Anji,
encounters?
I told you encounters means experience, and yesterday I sent the word meanings also to write in the book. That is the reason yesterday I sent you the word meanings so that you can write all the word meanings in your book. Encounters means experience. Whenever I met one of them who seemed to me at all clear sighted, whenever I met one of them who seemed to me at all clear sighted, he is saying whenever he used to meet any one of the adults who seemed to him clear sighted. Clear sighted means intelligent. He used to meet so many people, but out of them, if he used to feel, the narrator used to feel that one person is quite intelligent, he used to make an experiment. Now, what was that experiment? I tried the experiment of showing him my drawing number one. He used to try to show his experiment of showing him his drawing number 1. Which was drawing number 1? Can anyone tell me what was the drawing number 1?
Ma'am, snake eaten an elephant.
Elephant.
Huh?
Goa,
Ma'am.
ma'am, Goa constrictor eaten an elephant.
Boa constrictor that had swallowed an elephant, and it was inside or outside?
Elephant.
That was inside or outside?
Inside.
Ma'am, inside.
Inside. It was a picture in which what was not visible? Elephant was visible or not?
Not visible.
Elephant was not visible, right? Elephant was not visible. So he was in this first drawing, he was not able to, means people were not able to see any elephant. So this picture he always kept with him. See, he had become what? He became an adult. He joined his profession as a pilot. But even today, he did not leave his picture of this boa constrictor from outside, okay, and he kept it with him. And whenever he used to meet many people in his life, but whenever he used to find any one person who used to seem very intelligent to him, he used to do an experiment. And what was that experiment? He used to show this picture of boa constrictor from outside to find out whether the person is actually intelligent or not. How will he judge that the person is intelligent or not? Can anyone tell me?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, if they tell that what is the picture?
If the person will tell that it is a picture of hat, will he consider him intelligent?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
If a person will tell him that it is a picture of boa constrictor that has swallowed an elephant, will he consider him intelligent?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So this experiment he used to do to find out whether the person is actually intelligent or not. So which I have always kept. I would try to find out. So if this person, see, beta, you people mute yourself. I have a lot of noises coming. Please mute. Keep yourself muted. So he used to make an experiment by showing that picture to find out whether the person is actually intelligent or not. I would try to find out if this person were of true understanding, but whoever it was, he or she would always say. But unfortunately, whosoever person was it, whom he used to think intelligent, the truth of intelligence was exposed as soon as he used to show the picture to that person. Why? Because he or she would always say what? That is a head. And immediately he could understand that this person does not belong to him, does not belong to the same category in which the narrator falls. The narrator falls in the category of highly intelligent people, highly imaginative people, but the person who is not able to identify the picture correctly cannot be said that he falls in this category. Understood? In the category of intelligent people. So what he used to do, then I would never talk to that person about boa constrictors or primeval forest or stars. Then he's saying then he would never talk to that person about all these things. What all these things? Boa constrictor, primeval forest or stars. Why he used to stop talking about all these things with these persons? Because he could judge them after showing the picture that these people did not have the same kind of IQ level, the same kind of imagination level, the same kind of capacity of perceiving things beyond a certain limit, beyond a certain boundary. And that is the reason he stopped talking about all his fantasies with these people. What were his fantasies? His fantasies were boa constrictor, that he used to swallow a whole animal. His fantasy was the primeval forest. He used to think about primeval forest even that time when he was the pilot, that in that forest different kind of strange animals used to live. They have very peculiar habits, they had strange habits. Okay, and he used to talk about stars. See, when somebody is very imaginative, highly imaginative, he can find different kinds of patterns formed by the stars. But a normal person who is a person who only lives in this realistic world cannot find those figures that are formed by the stars. So he used to stop talking about all these things with such kind of people. I would bring myself down to his level. And then what he used to do? He used to bring himself down to up to that level, means up to the level of that person whom he is talking, because the person lives only in realistic world. So the narrator used to talk only. So the narrator used to talk only about the things that the person could understand. He never talked about the things that were beyond the capacity of other person. Means he used to talk with the people about the things in which their thought process used to match. And he stopped talking about the things in which their thought process was not same. So he used to talk, I would talk to him about bridge and golf and politics and neckties. See now what is he saying about what things he used to talk? He used to talk about bridge. Bridge is a card game. Golf is a game. Politics, he used to talk about politics. He used to talk about neckties. Neckties means it is another term for used for tie. That tie with tie in our neck, na, with your uniform in formal occasions. Okay, so tie. So he used to talk to these people about some realistic things like card games, golf, politics, neckties, etc. And the grown-ups would be greatly pleased to have met such a sensible man. And do you know, this is here the satire lies, here the irony lies, that the grown-ups used to think that they are talking to a really sensible man when he used to talk about bridge, golf, politics and neckties. Means petty things. When he used to talk about very petty things, a thing, very common thing, ordinary things, when he used to talk about with the people used to think that he is a highly intelligent person. But as far as he himself was concerned, he was not that kind of person. He preferred, he loved to talk about different things that were not, that was not a common interest of common people. His interest, his way of thinking, his interests were quite uncommon. What were his interests? His interests were in the hidden in the primeval forest. He was interested in exploring different shapes in the stars. Means he was very imaginative, and this level of imagination he did not find in anybody else. So I lived my life alone, and that is the reason that he is saying that he lived his life alone. Why? Because he could not find a perfect friend with whom he could share his thoughts, his ideas, the things that used to come to his mind, the things, the imagination that used to pop up in his mind. He had never got any friend with whom he could share all these things. Means he had many people to talk to, but he did not have any such person, any such friend with whom he could talk about the things of his own interest. See, when we talk to our friends, we talk about the things of our own interest, and our friends also understand the things, right? This happens or not? This happens or not? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
This happens, right? This happens. But as far as the narrator is concerned, he's saying that he did not find anyone with whom he could talk about his interests. He was surrounded by so many people, but not a single person with whom he could share his ideas, his thoughts, his imagination. until I had an accident with my plane in the desert of Sahara 6 years ago. That 6 years ago means from this time 6 years ago, he met with an accident and his plane crashed and landed in Sahara desert. See, everyone has his day. Okay, it is said now that the dog also has his day. Okay, so everyone can get. God gives chance to everyone to get the things of their own wish, of their own desire. Okay, everyone gets the thing. Everyone is blessed. God is very kind. So he's saying that he also met a friend till the time he was there among the crowd, among the people. He was not able to get even a single friend with whom he could talk about his fantasies, his imagination, his thoughts, his ideas. But one day he met with an accident and his plane crashed in the Sahara desert of Sahara. Hope you all have heard about Sahara desert, huh? Something was broken in my engine. What happened? What was the problem? Something had broken in his engine. And as I had with me neither a mechanic nor any passenger, because he was on a might be on a mission or some he was doing some duty during that time. He did not have even a mechanic with him nor any passenger in his airplane. I set myself to attempt the difficult repairs all alone. Then he set himself to make an effort to do all the difficult commands all alone. Beta, if screen is not coming, it means you have poor internet connection. This I think I am repeating the third day. Please don't interrupt in between, okay? If your screen is not visible to you people, it means you are not, you don't, your internet connection is weak at your place. That is the reason, okay? Others are able to see my screen.
Yes, ma'am.
The others are able to see my screen. Okay, so if you are not able to see, it means you have poor internet connection. Okay. So what is he saying? That he met with an accident and he did not have any mechanic with him nor any passenger, co-passenger with him. He was quite alone. I set myself to attempt the difficult repairs all alone. And then he started doing the repair. He took the job of repairing his own airplane himself. It was a question of life or death for me. See, live in the plane crash in a Sahara desert and a person all alone. No vegetation till far, no human, nobody is there. So don't you think that it is a matter of life and death? Means it is very difficult to come out of that Sahara desert. Okay, so he's saying it was a question of life and death for him. I had scarcely enough drinking water to last a week. See, when these army people, these military people go on a mission, what do they do? What do they do? They uh, take their supplies with them. As I told you yesterday also, in your chapter No Further Than Mandya, you studied about the three boys, Nikhil, Robin, and one more was there. Na? They plan to go to Bandipur, right? And they take all the supplies with them. Now supplies are what? Food, eatables, water, all these things. So he's also saying that he had the water. He hardly, scarcely means hardly, uh, very just about how much enough drinking water to last a week. Means a week means 8 days. So for 8 days he had the quantity of water that he had with him, or you can say the quantity of water that was left with him was just would be sufficient for 1 week, for 8 days. Means this much water was it he had with him in this desert. So whatever he had to do with his engine, he had to do within these 8 days, because if he will, suppose he will not die out of hunger, but he for sure, if his water will would be over, he would die out of thirst. So he had to anyhow repair his engine within these 8 days, because for 8 days only he had the water supply with him. So now it is also a compulsory thing for him that within 8 days he had to mend his engine. The first night, then I went to sleep. The first night, he's saying, then he went to sleep on the sand, 1,000 miles from any human habitation. He's saying 1,000 miles. He was 1,000 miles away from any human habitation. Habitation means settlement, where human live. Means he was 1,000 miles away from the place where human live, human exist. I was more isolated than a shipwrecked sailor on a raft in the middle of the ocean. He's saying he was more, here he is making a comparison. He is making comparison in his condition and in a sailor's condition. What is he doing? He is making a comparison. He is comparing his own condition with the condition of a sailor whose shipwrecked sailor mean whose ship has been destroyed by sinking or breaking. Okay, and he's where on a raft is what? A flat boat made by tying long pieces of wood together. Means a sailor whose ship has sank or destroyed or broken. Okay, and what he has done, he is sailing in the ocean on a raft is what? You take flat pieces of wood and you tie them together to make a boat. So he is there on a raft in the middle of the ocean. He is saying that sailor might have not felt that isolated, that alone, that sad as he was feeling. So he is comparing his condition with whom? He is comparing his condition with whom? With the sailor whose ship has destroyed. Okay, and he is on a raft sailing through the water in the mid of the ocean. He is saying that sailor might have not felt that isolated, that alone, that sad as he is feeling. Thus, you can imagine my amazement at sunrise when I was awakened by an odd little voice. He's saying that thus you can imagine means he was so alone. He was so sad. He was so alone. Nobody was there far and wide. At least in ocean, he had this. In the sailor in ocean, he had this of a ray of hope that any ship he will find in the mid of the ocean. But he's saying that in this desert, he did not even have a ray of hope that he will find somebody in mid of the ocean, in the mid of the desert. Please mute yourself. He's saying, thus can you imagine my amazement? And you can imagine means nobody was there. Still, what happened at the time of sunrise? He was awakened by an odd little voice. Odd means strange little voice. He was awakened. He was roused from his deep sleep by by a strange little voice, and this was quite amazing. This was quite surprising. What did it said? What did this voice say? This voice said, if you please, draw me a sheep. What did this voice said? This voice said, if you please, draw me a sheep. Means if you can, could you please draw me a sheep? Then what did the narrator reply? The narrator said, what? The little child again said, draw me a sheep. I jumped to my feet, completely thunderstruck. Thunderstruck means shocked. And when he found a person saying something to him in the mid of the desert where day before, means one night before, there was nobody all around, far and wide, there was nobody, only sand, his broken ship, and he himself was there. What three things were there in this desert? Only sand was there, his broken airplane was there, and he himself. And next morning, what does he find? Apart from these three things, he could find one more person, that was the little prince. He's saying, I jumped to my feet, completely thunderstruck. I blinked my eyes hard. See, when we get up early in the morning, we are not able to see the things clearly. What we do? We rub our eyes, we blink our eyelashes hard, so that we can trust our eyes that whatever we are seeing is actually happening. So he also blinked his eyes hard. I looked carefully all around me. Then he looked all around himself, and I saw a most extraordinary small person who stood there examining me with great seriousness. And then what did he find? He found a person who was standing, a small person, extraordinary. Extraordinary means exceptionally different, exceptionally strange person he found, who was standing near him, who stood there examining me with great seriousness. And what was that person doing? That person was examining the narrator with great seriousness. Means he was also looking at the, as the narrator was surprised to see that little fellow. Similarly, that little fellow was also examining the narrator. They both were looking at each other. Here you may see the best portrait that later I was able to make of him, but my drawing, it is certainly very much less charming than its model. Now what is he saying? Here you may see, as you are able to see the picture of little prince, he is saying here you may see the best portrait. Portrait means picture. Portrait means picture that later I was able to make of him. Means after coming back from that Sahara desert, he made the picture of little prince to show it to others at whom he met in the desert. To whom he met in the desert. Okay. So for this purpose he made the picture. But my drawing is certainly very less charming than its model. He's saying, but his picture is not as charming as the model himself was. Means the little prince actually was more attractive, more charming. The picture, in this picture, he was not able to make him that much charming, that much handsome, that much uh, smart. Okay. That, however, is not my fault. He's saying that, however, is not my fault. Fault means mistake. He's saying, however, it is not my fault. The grown-ups discouraged me in my painter's career when I was 6 years old. He's saying the grown-ups, adults, discouraged. Discouraged means made him lose his confidence. What is the meaning of discouraged? Discouraged means made him lose his confidence in my painter's career. Means he wanted at the age of 6, when he developed an interest for painting, he wanted to be a painter by profession. But what happened? His adults, his elders discouraged him, and he left the idea of becoming a painter. I never learned to draw anything except boas from outside and the boas from inside. And at the age of 6 only, what he learned to paint only two things: boas from inside and boas from outside. This is what only he could learn as a painter, because after that he was discouraged by his adults to draw anything else, as his adults always advised him to focus on studies, to focus on different kinds of subjects. Hope it is clear to you all till here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
If I
Yes,
ask any question, to be able to answer,
Yes, ma'am.
huh? If I
Yes,
ask
ma'am.
any question, be able to answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
ma'am. Yes,
I will be asking some questions. Let's see one more paragraph. Now I stared at this sudden apparition with my eyes fairly starting out of my head in astonishment. Now I stared. Stared means looked fixedly. Stared means looked fixedly for some time at this sudden apparition. Apparition means an unbelievable appearance. Means something unbelievably appeared in front of him. He stared at it. He looked at it fixedly with my eyes fairly starting out of my head in astonishment. With my eyes, he's saying with his eyes fairly starting out. Starting out means becoming so large that eyes seem like popping out, as if the eyes are coming out of their socket. He was astonished. Somebody has unmuted himself or herself and a lot of noise is coming. Please mute yourself. Remember, I had crashed in the desert 1,000 miles from any inhabited region. He's saying, remember, I had crashed. He's saying, remember, readers. He's saying this, remember to whom? To the readers. Dear readers, you should remember that he had crashed, his plane crashed where? In the desert, 1,000 miles from any inhabited region. Inhabited region means occupied place. Okay, occupied by people, where people live. From such kind of place he was there 1,000 miles away, and yet my little man seemed neither to be straying uncertainly among the sands nor to be fainting from fatigue of hunger or thirst or fear. He's saying, still my little man. Little man who? Little man, little prince seemed needed to be straying. Straying means roaming uncertainly, means he was going here and there as if he used to live there only. He was acquainted with all the places. He was roaming like so freely among the sand, not to be fainting from fatigue or hunger. And he was not even fainting. Means for a little child, it is very difficult to roam here and there, to move here and there in the hot sand. Okay, but he was moving here and there without getting tired. Fatigue means tired without being tired, and without any hunger, without any thirst or fear. He was not even feeling hungry, he was not even feeling thirsty, he was not even fearful. He was moving so freely as if he had no fear of anything. Nothing about him gave any suggestion of a child lost in the middle of the desert, 1,000 miles from any human habitation. Means there was nothing in him. Means for a minute, a person can think that he is a child who has been lost in the Sahara desert. But there was not a single clue, there was not a single sign from this little prince that could convince the narrator that he is a lost child. Means he was not also he did not seem at all that he was a lost child. It seemed as if he was quite familiar with that area, with that Sahara desert. He, as if he was living in that desert since many years. It seemed like this because of his behavior. When at last I was able to speak, I said to him. He's saying when at last he was able to speak, he said when why he's saying when at last I was able to speak, because first he convinced himself that he is not seeing any dream. It is happening in reality with him. I said to him, but what are you doing here? He's saying, I asked him that what are you doing here? He asked that what the boy was doing here. This much for today only. Mark it till here. We will continue on Monday again, or whenever it will be, literature schedule. Fine. I want to ask some questions now if you have understood. Okay. Now tell me, in the beginning of the chapter, the narrator has mentioned about a book. What book was he reading? Just switch on your cameras, please.
Ma'am, true stories from nature.
You have turned the
True
page.
stories. True stories.
People turn the page now.
True stories. True.
I know you people have turned the page now. You turned the page and then saw, right? Okay.
No, ma'am.
He was reading true stories from nature. Okay. And after reading this book, which interest took birth in him? Means the interest for what took birth in him? He was interested in something. What was that?
Ma'am, painting, drawing.
Drawing.
Ma'am, drawing.
Painting. So which picture did he saw that
Painting,
made,
ma'am.
okay, which picture made him interested in painting? Which picture?
Ma'am, a Goa constrictor, swallowed an elephant.
A
An
boa
animal.
constrictor and
Yes.
an animal.
In this book he read about the primeval forest, ancient forest, in which he saw a picture that a boa constrictor was swallowing a complete animal. Okay, and he read that it's series for 6 months then for its digestion. Right, this is what he saw. So this made him interested in drawing picture. Okay, what was his picture? The very first picture like?
Ma'am,
Aditya, you tell.
it was a baby elephant.
Ma'am, like a hat.
It was like a hat.
He made a boa constrictor from outside and it looked like a
Hat.
hat. People, whosoever saw that picture, they identified it as a
Hat.
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 Okay, to make it more clear, to the people, to the viewers, to the people all around him, what modification did the narrator do in the picture?
Ma'am, he gave an X-ray.
X-ray.
X-ray, not X-ray. He made a picture like an X-ray. He made a picture like an X-ray in which what was visible?
Elephant.
A boa
Elephant.
boa constrictor eaten an elephant.
In whose stomach what was visible?
Elephant.
Elephant.
Constrictor's stomach. Elephant was visible.
Okay, now just
Elephant
type.
was visible in the boa
I'm
constrictor.
asking. Now listen to me. I am asking this one word answer. Type your answer. At what
Okay, ma'am.
age did he start painting? Type your answer quickly. At what age did he start doing painting?
Ma'am typed.
At the age of 6.
I said type your answer. 6 years. Okay. At what age did he enjoy his first travel by air in an
I'm 12.
aeroplane? 12. Okay. Okay. At that time, at the age of 12, he fell in love with something. What was that something?
Ma'am, it was.
Flight. And flight.
Right.
I
What
mean,
was the word that was used? I told you about the word yesterday. What was that word?
Ammunition. It was something like that.
Aviation. Yes. He fell in love with aviation. Okay. And he decided to become a
Pilot.
pilot. He decided to become a pilot. Okay.
Pilot.
As a pilot, which subject helped him a lot? The study of which subject helped him a lot?
Geography.
Geography.
Type your answers. As a pilot, which subject study helped him a lot? Okay, geography. Okay, okay, okay. To find out whether the person is actually intelligent or not, what he used to do?
He showed the picture.
He used to
Shows his first picture.
show the
Picture
picture.
of constriction.
Okay, just do let me know after this class. You have any other class immediately after this class?
No, ma'am.
I can take 5 minutes more, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
After that,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have break, na? After this, you have
Yes,
break.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So now let me know, how did he find out that the person is intelligent or not? How did he find out that the person is intelligent or not?
Ma'am, he shows his first picture.
Let me show you first picture.
Okay, by showing only he finds out.
I mean, if the person tells the
asking
right
about
answer,
the picture.
then he sees that the person is intelligent. If he is imaginative, the person.
Okay, means how does the person identifies the picture? As a hat or
The person
as a
says
bow
it
of
is
constrictor?
a hat.
hat.
If the person identifies the picture as a hat, he used to consider him intelligent or not intelligent?
Not intelligent.
That he is not intelligent. Yes, he used to consider that he is not intelligent.
Intelligent.
Okay. Then after finding that the person is not intelligent, what kind of things used to be the topic of discussion with those people?
Card games, golf.
Ma'am,
Card games, politics, and
okay.
golf.
So type your answers. No issues. Type your answers. Okay. Now, beta, do the things. Read this chapter again because I have to join another class. Okay. You all go out of the class now, please.
Okay, ma'am.
Have
Bye,
a nice day,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Please
Thank you, ma'am.
class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Move out of the class, please.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Junaid, please move out.